Are you a fourth grade teacher looking for engaging math worksheets for your students? Discover 5 fun self-checking mystery picture math worksheets designed for fourth graders, easily assignable via Google Sheets. What are mystery picture math worksheets? These interactive worksheets help students practice key math skills through a series of questions. As students answer correctly, a hidden image gradually reveals itself, making learning fun and self-checking. With minimal prep and grading time, they're a teacher's dream. Here's a few reviews from teachers telling us how engaged their students are. Feel free to check out our store, in teacherspayteachers.com, Gamified EduTech, for more reviews. Today, I'm sharing 5 unique worksheets, each with a distinct theme. You can find this and more at our Teachers Pay Teachers Gamified EduTech store. Stick around to learn how to get these templates for free. Alright, let's go through the first one. Convert inches to feet and vice versa. 5 worksheets, each with 20 unique questions to practice converting between inches and feet. Every worksheet features a different animal-themed mystery image to keep students engaged. The second one, 4-digit addition, no regrouping. 5 worksheets with 20 questions each also, perfect for mastering 4-digit addition. Students will need a pencil and notebook for calculations. This feature vibrant springtime theme images. The third one, subtraction within 100. 5 worksheets focusing on subtracting 1 or 2-digit numbers from numbers under 100, mostly 2-digit. Another animal theme set to captivate your students. The fourth one, simplify fractions. 5 worksheets to hone fraction simplification skills. Each worksheet showcases iconic national parks from around the world as the mystery image. And last but not the least, divisibility rules for 3, 4, and 5. 5 worksheets with 20 questions each to master divisibility rules for 3, 4, and 5. This worksheet features a colorful flower theme to brighten the learning experience. How to get these worksheets for free? Join our community. Go to school.com and look for Gamified EduTech. I'll leave the link below. Sign up for a free account, then navigate to the Classroom tab. Then look for the free samples and worksheets tile. Once you open this up, just go to the 4th grade section and you would be able to download the worksheet for free. Alright, if you like this video, don't forget to give us thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos from our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye now.